In this video, I'll show you how to create an EVM wallet address in MetaMask. An EVM wallet address is a crypto wallet address that works with Ethereum virtual machine networks. These include Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche C-Chain, Base, and many other compatible blockchains. The good news is that when you create a MetaMask wallet, you automatically get an EVM-compatible wallet address. To begin, install MetaMask on your device. You can use the browser extension on Chrome, Brave, Edge, or Firefox, or you can install the MetaMask mobile app on iPhone or Android. Always download MetaMask from the official website or from your device's official app store to avoid fake wallet apps. After installing MetaMask, open it and select Create a new wallet. MetaMask may ask if you want to help improve the service by sharing basic usage data. Choose the option you prefer, then continue. Next, create a strong password. This password protects MetaMask on your current device. It is useful for unlocking the wallet, but it is not the same as your recovery phrase. If you lose access to your device, the password alone cannot restore your wallet. Now, MetaMask will show you your secret recovery phrase. This is the most important part of the setup. Write the recovery phrase down on paper and keep it in a safe place. Do not take a screenshot, do not save it in your email, and never share it with anyone. Anyone who has this phrase can control your wallet and access your funds. After confirming the recovery phrase, your MetaMask wallet will be ready. At the top of the wallet, you will see your account name and a wallet address that starts with 0x. This is your EVM wallet address. You can use the same address on Ethereum and most EVM-compatible networks. To copy your address, simply click or tap the address at the top of MetaMask. You can then paste it into an exchange, another wallet, or any platform that asks for your EVM address. If you want to use another EVM network, open the network selector in MetaMask and add the network you need. Many networks can be added directly from MetaMask's network list. Once added, your wallet address usually stays the same, but the network and assets shown will change. Before receiving crypto, always check that the sender is using the correct network. For example, sending USDT on Ethereum is different from sending USDT on BNB Smart Chain or Polygon. The address may look the same, but the network must match. That's how to create an EVM wallet address in MetaMask. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.